Alvina Usher, your Ottawa real estate expert, is here. I'm showing today Kanata. I am in Arcadia in a beautiful townhouse, and let's go and see inside. Very functional, beautiful kitchen. Gorgeous staircase up. Very nice, spacious master bedroom. Where is the bathroom? Bathroom with 2 additional rooms. Great space for the rec room. Lots of people ask me about the price point of today's inventory. I can tell you one thing, that this house 2 years ago we could buy for not less than $720,000 to $740,000. Today it's $649,000. You can get a pretty new and nice townhome in Kanata. If you want to buy or sell anywhere in Kanata, please let me know. My telephone number is right here. Alvina Usher, your Ottawa real estate expert.